Hey, what's going on, everybody? This your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today I'm gonna bring you guys a special video, man. We got this beautiful X5M right behind me, and we actually did a full review on this X5M on the channel. And if you haven't seen that video, you definitely need to check it out. But today we're gonna be installing some one-of-a-kind Downstar bolts on this X5M. Right now, Mike has the regular standard BMW bolts, and we was like, we can't let them stay stock. We got to make sure we get them some flavor and throw the Downstar bolts underneath the engine bay. So let's go ahead and get into that. All right, so as you can see right here, like I stated, these are the stock OEM bolts. So this is like, I think it's an E40. You got like an E30, E40 bolts right here that you got to remove. You got these that we're replacing. We're replacing this one, and also these back here. So we're gonna be having some fun today, man. Taking apart this engine bay and refreshing it, man. So I'm giving you guys a before look right now so you can really see what it looks like. Then we're gonna come back with the changed look, all right? All right, everyone, so this is the kit that you actually get from Downstar, which is right here. And it does come in this nice plastic baggie here, and everything is individually separated, as you can kind of see right here. So how everything is listed on the sheet of paper, which is included in the top part right here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and you should have that amount of sections right here. So one is saying it's the front bumper, which it shows in this picture, which is right here. So that's gonna be the first one you're gonna run into right here. So you're gonna have 4 washers, which are gonna look like that. And then you'll also have 4 hex bolts, which will go down into the washer right there. So that's kind of how this is laid out. And if you kind of go off of how this is laid out right there, then you won't be able to make a mistake. So right now we'll go ahead and start with the front bumper. There should be 4 of them, which is gonna be 2 right here, and then the other 2 right here. We're gonna replace those. To take that off, you're gonna need a T30, which is right here. Put that T30 in, take those off, and then we'll replace it with the Downstar bolts. So let's go ahead and get to it. And you kind of just want to repeat that process. So I'm kind of going to be going through this video on it, and I'll be interjecting when I need to, all right? All right, now that we got the stock bolts out, we got the Downstar bolt. So like I said, you just take the hex bolt in the washer, put it in like that, put it into the stock location. I always like to start it by hand first, just to get it going. And then I come back with the impact and finish it out. All right, everyone, so now we have the front strut. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts right here that will be replaced. So you do have shorter ones and you do have longer ones. So make sure you replace the appropriate one. So I believe the longer ones go on the outside, the shorter ones go on the inside, but I will confirm that once I take these out and analyze the bolts. All right, let's get to that. All right, everyone, so actually the shorter ones are gonna go on the outside, longer ones on the inside. And like I said, I wanted to confirm that once I pull out the stock bolts. So longer on the inside, shorter on the outside, all right? All right, everyone, so you can kind of see right there, we got the bolts in, got that one, that one, that one, and that one. So now we're gonna work on the radiator cover, which is all those bolts you're seeing right in the middle of your screen. And then we got some up here as well. So we're gonna go ahead and do all that right now. All right, everyone, so we got the radiator cover front shroud bolts done. There's 10 of them, as you guys are seeing right now on your screen, and they were pretty easy. They weren't too bad. There was a couple that was in here a little tight, but take your time and you can get it done. So I always recommend trying to maybe breaking it loose with like an impact, but then finishing it with like your hand, just to make sure you don't really mess anything up or strip out any bolts. But I would recommend on these, probably doing 1 or 2 at a time. Don't loosen up the whole front shroud and then trying to put them in, because you don't want this to shift too much, because then you'll have to worry about trying to realign stuff. So probably do 1 or 2 bolts at a time, and then you'll be good to go. So now we got the front strut brace tower. We got this one. Then we got the one that's right over there. So we're gonna go ahead and replace those, and then we'll come back and I'll give you guys some cinematics and we'll close out the video. All right, everyone, so we have the kit installed. Check it out. Everything fit and finish is perfect, as we come to expect from Downstar. Frank and the team over there do an excellent job. Everything is looking good, flows good. The titanium bolts look really good on this engine bay, especially with the blue engine cover and also the blue intakes. And I was talking to Mike about the kit, and he did say that this was the first titanium kit they've done on any of the X5Ms or X5s chassis, or X6 also. So this is the first in the world you guys are seeing right here on the channel. So make sure to definitely subscribe for that, you know what I mean? So giving you a closer look at the bolt right there. Looks really good, looks so much better than the OEM bolts. So what I'm gonna do is give you guys some cinematics, and then we're gonna go ahead and close this video out. So cinematics in 3, 2, 1, let's get it.
Motherfucker, I've been mortified, 45, feeling like a Mordecai. I ain't regular, feel like Jordan wearing 45. Traumatized, victimized, seen some of my die. Knock you off a base with a bat when them niggas slide. Homicide, genocide, televised, emphasize, perpetuating war. Tell that nigga he gon' pick a side. Hood ties from hood lines, now niggas doing dope lines. Don't run into the cops, that's a big exercise. Don't run into the cops, that's the motto. I don't see it coming to an end like legato. Get chipped like staccato, send a wave through the hood, now it sounding like vibrato. Why you eat bread with avocado? We be trying to dodge shells before it landing our tomato. Singing all my sorrows on Apollo. I've been trying to pave the way, but they didn't tell me it was potholes. America ain't dreaming, they been scheming when the birth of a nation came from black. We all know it's black. Genius, everybody love the culture.
So that is a video on these Downstar bolts. Installation is a breeze. Anyone can do it with some basic tools. Again, if you have an X5, X6, even the X7, you definitely need this to dress up your engine bay. Special shout out again goes to Mike. I'll be putting his Instagram up. You guys can follow the build on that. Also, special shout out again goes to Downstar. Frank and the team over there always do an excellent job with shipping, packing, instructions, everything. So if you're looking for this, we'll be linked down below, and I'll holler at you guys later. Peace.